Benchmark stock market indices opened flat on Friday, tracking a slide in global markets amid growing fears of a looming recession in the US. Sentiments also soured after index provider MSCI cut free float designations of 4 Adani Group companies. At the opening bell, the SP/BSE Sensex was down 86.37 points at 60,719.85, while the NSE Nifty 50 fell 0.21% to 17,856.70. Broader markets also traded in negative territory. All the sectoral indices except Nifty Media and Nifty PSU Bank fell, with Nifty IT and Nifty Metal down over 1% each. HDFC Life and UPL Limited were the top gains on the Nifty 50 index, rising above 1%. Meanwhile, Adani Enterprises and HCL Tech were the biggest drags on the index, both down nearly 3%. Resume fall markets are likely to trade with a flat to negative bias today due to MSCI's move against 4 Adani Group companies. Listed shares of Adani Group companies fell sharply yesterday and most of the stocks started today's trading session on a weak note as well. Meanwhile, the mood across global stock markets also took a hit after Wall Street equities closed lower, following comments from US Federal Reserve officials that a recession is likely in the world's largest economy. Richmond Fed President Thomas Buchan indicated that inflation is not cooling off and the decline seen so far has been distorted by some falling goods prices. This indicates that the US Central Bank could maintain higher interest rates for longer. This could have a direct impact on policy decisions by most other central banks around the world, including India. Domestic investors will turn their attention to retail inflation data for January, due on Monday. A Reuters poll of economists projected India's annual retail inflation rose from a 12-month low in December, but stayed within the Reserve Bank of India's upper tolerance band of 6% last month.